Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel at The Financial Blueprint. Today we're diving into one of my favorite side hustles of 2024. This one's been incredibly consistent, bringing in commissions every day. Not only that, but it's predictable and passive. My friend Rob does this one, and once he set it up, the income just keeps coming without any extra work. That's exactly what I love about it. Let me show you what I mean. Now here's his sales dashboard for the Amazon Influencer Program. You'll see all these little green bars representing the sales he's made over the past 60 days. Over the last 60 days, Rob shipped over $12,000 in revenue with about $300 in earnings. Keep in mind, he does this part-time alongside his other affiliate marketing ventures. This program works by showcasing everyday products you have at home. When Rob ran out of products to review, he actually went to his mom's house to review more items. It's simple, flexible, and can fit into a busy schedule. Now let's talk about how you can double these commissions. Amazon offers something called Creator Connections, where you can browse thousands of products and message companies directly. Many of these companies offer higher commissions, even up to 50%, and they often send free products for you to review. These are extra commissions on top of your regular commissions. For example, you could review a skincare product with a 4% regular commission, then earn an extra 15% directly from the brand connection. Once you're established as an influencer, Amazon even ups your commission rates, offering as much as 7 to 10% on top products. If you're interested in joining the Amazon Influencer Program, nearly anyone can get started. You don't need a massive following, just good engagement on social media. I've created a tutorial that breaks down everything step by step. You can find it in my profile link along with my free 54-side hustle dossier. And here's another income stream, Amazon's new bounty program. You can earn commissions by promoting Amazon Prime subscriptions. Perfect if you're a fan of their TV shows or movies. It's a simple addition that can boost your income without much extra effort. Once your videos are up and commissions start rolling in, it's mostly passive. Some influencers with thousands of videos are earning substantial monthly income. Thanks for watching and joining. Check out my free guide for a full walkthrough on the Amazon program, and I'll see you in the next video.